Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Audi A3 automatic. First, always ensure your surroundings are clear and safe before entering the vehicle. Take a moment to adjust your seat and mirrors for optimal visibility, ensuring you have a clear view of the road. Finally, always fasten your seatbelt securely. This is a crucial safety step before you even think about starting the engine. Next, let's get the engine running. If your Audi A3 has a key fob, place it in the designated slot or simply have it inside the cabin. Crucially, press the brake pedal firmly with your right foot. The car will not start without this. Then, locate the engine start/stop button, usually near the gear selector, and press it once to bring the engine to life. With the engine running, it's time to select your drive mode. Continue to keep your foot firmly on the brake pedal. Now, move the gear selector to the D position for drive. You'll typically find this on the center console. Always confirm that the gear indicator on your dashboard clearly shows D before proceeding, ensuring you're ready to move forward. Finally, you're ready to drive. If your Audi A3 has an electronic parking brake, release it now, usually by pressing a button. Slowly and smoothly lift your foot from the brake pedal. The car will begin to creep forward. Then, gently press the accelerator pedal to increase your speed. Remember to drive safely and be aware of your surroundings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.